Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is hot and humid, and that is the perfect recipe for lawn fungus. Now I've been using, actually I use Scott's Disease X about 4 or 5 weeks ago, and that product actually worked pretty good. I noticed a couple blades that were coming up with disease, and I immediately went to Home Depot, and I ended up buying Scott's Disease X. And that product was actually it's been around for quite a while, but Keith from Long Island Lawns actually uses it. And if you follow Keith on his channel and on his Instagram page, he has the most beautiful lawn I have ever seen. Actually, Keith, you're doing a great job on that, man. I tell you all the time. And I also want to say thank you to you for supporting me on this channel as well, and my journey through YouTube. And I really appreciate that, Keith. And also I just hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, and I really I'm astonished about it. I know it's not a big number, but it means a lot to me, so I really appreciate that, guys. So thank you so much. This one is the 10-pound bag, and it treats up to 5,000 square feet. Now when you look at the front of the bag, one of the lawn fungus that it controls mainly is brown patch, dollar spot, rust, summer patch, and I have no idea how to pronounce this. Never used this product, but like I said, the Scott's Disease X worked excellent for me, and I'm happy to try this one out because it's cheaper. So, and actually I believe this one covers more square footage than the Scott's Disease X. So I mean, cheaper, and it covers more, so that's a plus for me. So let's get on to the application. Alright guys, so that's about it for the application. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment. Again, thank you for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Have a nice night.